In LiveChat Solution Partner Program, you can get profits from making LiveChat the part of your business. Whether you want to resell LiveChat with your markup, include the product in your business suite, or simply recommend it to clients, we got you covered. We value simplicity, and therefore, we let you set up LiveChat accounts on your customers' behalf. No need to ask them to click or copy anything, no loose ends. You can even automate the account creation process using our API documentation. Got interested? Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Your customer, Tom, wants to use LiveChat on his website. You can set up his LiveChat account in your partner app and choose who should manage the payments, you or Tom. If LiveChat is part of the whole suite of solutions you offer and you want to resell it, you may take care of Tom's payments on your own. After the account is created, Tom gets the invitation to LiveChat, but he can't see the billing section. The good news is that you get a 20% discount on all payments. Sounds right? However, for your convenience, you can also let Tom manage his payments for LiveChat. If so, you give Tom the access to the subscription section in LiveChat, but disable the possibility to manage his payments in your partner app. In this case, you get a recurring commission as long as Tom subscribes for a full version. If you're still not sure how to move forward, reach out to us at partners@livechatinc.com and we will personally explain everything. There you go! Take advantage of LiveChat Solution Partner Program and scale your business just the way you want.